You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, which is a name from Arabic, so we need to hear the Arabic pronunciation, and the meaning is God has heard, or whom God hears. Arabic pronunciation as a name: Ismail, Ismail, Ismail. Therefore, in English, it's generally pronounced, I believe it's a biblical name, could be as well, let me know in the comments, Ismail. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.